Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to the video in Google Flow. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now you see here on the left side, you see at the bottom here tools. So if you click on that, you will be redirected right over here where you have a bunch of extra options what you can do on Google Flow, as you can see. Alright, so what you're going to select here under the video, you will select type overlays. Alright, so it will show you something like that. Okay, so now we need to add a video into it. Okay, so we will go here to the top right corner where you see import media, and just like that you will see it right over here. Okay, now we add this video right here. Okay, and as you can see already we have the text right over here. So if I stop this, and as you can see, now here we can click on this one and then we can type hello from space, for example. Then we can play with fonts, weight, size, height, colors, and positions, and so on. So if we start again from the beginning, okay, let's say, as you can see, we can extend, shorten however we want. And yeah, this is pretty much everything how you can add text to video in Google Flow. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next